Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Uniquely Tay. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a Bento back to school themed lunch box. My baby girl loves taking her own lunch to school. She's been doing that since she's been in school, and we decided to do the bento box this year. I'm really into organization, and when I saw how much stuff you can pack in the bento box and how it saves so much space, I knew that this school year this was going to be one of my go-tos for making lunches. So pretty much the bento box came from Amazon, and all the items that you see that we're putting inside the bento box, her lunch items, are from Aldi's. I love Aldi's. If you're not an Aldi shopper, please try them out if you have one in your area. They have off-brand items, but I promise you, majority of their items taste so good and you would never know they're off-brand, and they save you so much money. With this inflation that we have right now, being a stay-at-home mom, it's all about saving a buck. And I have came up with a formula, and it works. It works for my family. And going to Aldi's and doing the low budget spending, it just fits, especially when you're doing school lunches every day and you're trying to make sure you have more than enough items for your kids to choose from without breaking the bank. So right now we're doing fruits, some fruit snacks, a little bit of cheese crackers. We're also doing some mini brownies. Just trying to make her choices healthy as possible. She's the type where she loves to have sweets. My baby loves sweets. So we've been trying our best to incorporate healthier sweets by giving her canned fruit, fresh fruit, different options besides so many sweets. So pretty much she has 2 sweets for today for school. We're doing the mini brownies and the fruit snacks. She wanted more, you guys, but I told her just two. So I was at a store one day and they had these little kid pre-made lunches where they actually took hot dog rolls and made little sub sandwiches. I thought that was the most brilliant idea. So I said this year, instead of using actual regular white bread, I said I would just use like the loaf bread. Instead of using that, I would use the hot dog rolls to make her feel like she was getting a little small sub sandwich. And I love the idea of it because it fits perfect in the bento box. And she also have some of the Slim Jims, which is Aldi's brand of the Slim Jims, and she loves those. So I'm going to give her 2 of those and cut them up. My daughter does not get snack this year. She's in 2nd grade. She's used to getting a snack at school, but this year her teacher decided not to give snack. She goes to lunch at 10 o'clock, but I can understand why her teacher did what she did because of the fact of they had ants real bad that year. So this year she's not taking any snack, and I'm trying to come up with ways and quick snacks and ways to put more food in her so that she won't be so hungry when she gets home. So pretty much this Amazon bento box came with the knife, fork, and spoon, and it also came with those 3 compartments, and she loved the color. It also came in different colors too. I think it came in like a light blue and like a mint color, but it was really fun to be able to do this with Jada, and I had her to close her eyes. I'm putting her little note in for her lunchbox. That's something that I started doing with Jada this school year, putting her sweet notes inside of her lunchbox to encourage her while she's at school and to let her know that mama loves her even the more. And we're closing it up because this thing seals so tight. So we got everything closed, and we are getting ready to put everything inside of her lunchbox, assemble everything for the next day. So as you can see, this is a very durable bento box. And right here is her lunchbox. This lunchbox was purchased from Amazon. And it looks small, but it expands once. It's really deep. So we're going to put everything in so you can see how deep it is. It zips up with no problem. And I'm glad that you all enjoy the lunchbox. Okay, y'all. Now, of course, after the lunchbox making, we did a late night DIYs. I did while the kids was in the bed, monogramming lunchbox items, especially the water bottles. Yes, DIY Cricut late night before school. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.